In this video, we will learn how to install WordPress through Softaculous. First, let's see what is Softaculous. Softaculous is a tool in cPanel that you can use to install applications like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, etc. Well, you can also install these applications manually by creating a database. But Softaculous allows you to do so within just few clicks. Let's go through the process of installing WordPress through Softaculous. First, log in to your cPanel account. Scroll down and go to Softaculous Apps Installer. Select WordPress. On the WordPress page, you can see different tabs like Overview that shows you how your blog will look like. Features, you can read all WordPress features here. By clicking on Demo, you will be redirected to display the demo of your blog. Now click on Install. You will be asked some information to fill like version of WordPress you wish to install. Let's select the latest one, 5.3.2. We recommend you to select the latest version as it enhances the security, provides new features, and also fixes bugs. Choose the installation URL. For the sites with SSL certificate, select HTTPS, and for sites without SSL, select HTTP. We recommend to use SSL certificate. Even Google loves sites with HTTPS. Choose the domain on which you wish to install WordPress. In Site Settings section, mention your site name and site description, that is what the site is about. By selecting WPMU, you can enable multi-site option for your WordPress blog. To use this feature, make sure your server supports Apache mod rewrite. Now, in the admin account section, fill admin username, admin password. Always keep password strong. You can hide your password. If you wish to get an auto-generated password, then click on this key icon. Then enter admin email. In future, if you want to reset the password, then you will receive the reset link on this email ID. Select your preferred language. Select plugins like Limit Login Attempts and Classic Editor as per your choice. By expanding advanced options, you can see your database information. In database name, type the name of the database to be created for the installation. If you don't want to receive emails about updated notification, then select this box. Select your auto upgrade choice from Do Not Auto Upgrade, Upgrade to minor versions only, and Upgrade to any latest version available. You can select Auto Upgrade WordPress plugins and themes to manually upgrade the latest version themes and plugins. Now select theme. Well, this step is optional. If you do not select any theme, then the default one which we saw earlier gets installed. Or you can select any theme depending on your blog's profession like Edu Expert, Auto Repair, Travel, Law Expert, etc. It is not compulsory to install theme immediately. For time being, you can use the default one. Finally, click on Install. This way, you can successfully install WordPress through Softaculous. Once installation is completed, you will get a congratulations message. Click on Return to Overview and again click on your recently installed file. that shows how your blog looks like. For any other queries, reach out to Milesweb support team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.